If you've been thinking about starting a social media account but don't want to show your face, this is for you. I'm going to show you exactly how to set up your Faceless account in 7 steps, give you 10 post ideas, and make sure you can start today, even if you have zero tech skills. Faceless marketing means you create content without showing your face. It's perfect for beginners, introverts, or anyone who values privacy. Here's why it works. Confidence. No pressure to be camera ready. Freedom. Post anytime, anywhere. Scalability. Focus on value, not vanity metrics. Let's walk through your 7-step Faceless Setup Checklist. Step 1. Pick 1 to 2 platforms. Step 2. Choose a brand name. Step 3. Create a profile photo. Step 4. Write your bio. Start with 1 or 2 platforms so you don't burn out. My top beginner picks are TikTok for fast reach and Instagram for reels, stories, and carousels. Pinterest is great for evergreen traffic, and YouTube Shorts for high discoverability. Choose where your audience hangs out most. Step 2. Choose a brand name. Keep it short, clear, and easy to remember. You can go keyword-based, like Digital Freedom Tools, or vibe-based, like Quiet Wealth Studio. If you want to stay anonymous, avoid personal details. Step 3. Create a profile photo. Use Canva to make a logo, abstract graphic, or niche-related icon. Stick to your brand colors for consistency. Step 4. Write a bio that attracts. Follow the who plus what plus CTA format, helping beginners build passive income. Faceless digital marketing tips. Free guide to start today. Step 5. Prepare your first 5 to 10 posts. These could be text on screen reels, stock videos with captions, carousel posts with value tips, or short screen recorded tutorials. Step 6. Add a link in bio. Use StanStore, Tapalink, or LeadsLeap to house all your offers and include your freebie at the very top to start growing your email list. Step 7. Start posting consistently. Post at least 3 to 5 times a week. Rotate between tips, motivation, and soft offers. Engage daily. Reply to comments, answer DMs, and interact with your audience. Here are 10 content ideas you can create without showing your face. These tools will save you hours every week. StanStore, Tapalink, LeadsLeap, Repurpose.io for automation, Canva for design, Pixabay/Pexels for stock video. These tools will make your life so much easier. StanStore, all-in-one digital storefront. Tapalink, free link in bio tool. LeadsLeap, email list builder and funnels. Repurpose.io, auto-post your videos to multiple platforms. Canva, design posts, logos, and guides. Pixabay and Pexels, free stock video and photo sources. My tip? Batch 5 to 7 videos in one sitting, then schedule them using Repurpose.io so your content runs even when you're busy. You now have the steps, the content ideas, and the tools. Your faceless business starts today, not someday. Here's your next step. Click the link in the description on your screen to grab your free Faceless Account Setup Checklist and join my Chillstar Wealth Inner Circle school group. Inside, you'll get step-by-step faceless marketing strategies, done-for-you posting templates, my personal tools list with tutorials, a supportive community to keep you motivated. Don't just watch this training, act on it. Create your account today, post your first piece of content within 24 hours, and let me know in the community so I can cheer you on. The only difference between you and the people already building their faceless business is they started. Now it's your turn. And if you want to try any of the tools I use for free, comment tools below and I'll send you the links.